at it, what is it changing? What's the utility that it actually has? Because in its utility, in what it does and how it changes the world and how it makes the world a better place, that's where the value of it gets unlocked over the long term. Hey guys, so the first day of the Binance blockchain conference here in Dubai just ended, and there were a lot of amazing speakers, interesting people that were speaking. But what I like about events is you get to meet a lot of people that are like-minded, people that believe in crypto, people that love crypto, people that are building on top of it. And at least for today, I met a lot of people, but from the speakers that were there, you had Charles Hoskinson of Cardano, as you all know about what Cardano is doing, and he said something very interesting that in my opinion was very, very profound. He said that if you're in crypto just because you want to make a quick flip or you want to make money, it will be very, very, very hard. Because I believe in that, and I always say this, that money earning is just a byproduct of the amount of effort that you put in, what you've built, and how much value you add to the marketplace. When people talk about cryptocurrencies, they would always see it in a way that, okay, there's a possibility for this to have large moves up. People always talk about bumps. People always talk about exponential moves when it comes to different tokens and coins. But in reality, not a lot of tokens and coins you do well in. A lot flop, a lot don't go anywhere, a lot might maybe 10, 15 years from now might even go to zero. It's the ones that are amazing, it's the ones that have put a lot of work, that are the ones that will somehow, some way, the ones that are making a difference in this world and changing the world for the better, are the ones that will actually stay. So the reason why I'm saying this is, when you analyze tokens, when you analyze coins, don't just look at it as something that, what's the one that will possibly go up, but look at it, what is it changing? What's the utility that it actually has? Because in its utility, in what it does and how it changes the world and how it makes the world a better place, that's where the value of it gets unlocked over the long term. What I wanted to share also for the second part of this video is that I had the ability also, right after his talk, right after the forum, to talk to one of the co-founders of Polygon and Matic, Sandeep Naiwal. And what's interesting about that is backstage, so there were people there, we had the chance to take pictures, but when it was my shot already, I asked him one question, and I asked him, for people who are interested, or for people who are new to the space, or for people who want to learn more about crypto, what would be your words of wisdom for them? And I would have expected him to say a lot of interesting things. I would have expected him to say a lot of nice things, profound things, but he said something very distinct. He said, don't just study crypto, live it. My mentality over the past year when it comes to crypto has totally changed. As well, I've mentioned, similar to what I talked about with Charles Hoskinson, I don't see crypto as a flip. Of course, it can go up, of course, it can push up, but I see crypto as freedom. I see crypto as something that people can build on top of, that there's so much that could be done. It's something that you live and breathe every single day. It's something that you push forward to. It's something that you learn. And what's nice about that is crypto's so new. There's a lot of development that will go on. There's a lot of things that will possibly happen. There's a lot of things that over the next few years will evolve. And when you live it, when it becomes a part of your very being, your life, it becomes a part of how you do things, then it becomes revolutionary. Here's another quote that I heard over the years: being precedes doing. That in my life right now, I'm not doing crypto as something that I need to do. I do it because it's something that I want to do. It's something that I want to learn. Being here in Dubai, attending, and also mimicking what I've learned and sharing it to all of you, those are all amazing things. Those are all incredible. Those are stuff that, it's not just something that I would learn from or for personal growth as well, but these are things that take a lot of effort to do. These are things where you have to sacrifice also your time. You have to sacrifice also a lot of things to be able to be here. I'm gonna be in this for the long term. This will be something that will be part of not just me looking at it as an asset class or an investment, but as something that I can build towards. Because I really believe that there's so much foundation, there's so much that will go on over the next few years, and crypto will be part and parcel of everything. And people have been changing the narrative already. It's not just any more crypto, it's Web3. And when people package it that way, from Web 2 to Web 3 and also the metaverse, then it becomes digestible, then it becomes palatable, then it becomes something that a lot of people get to understand more. What I'm saying to all of you is, I guess, to sum this all up, it's not get rich quick. It's not something that you do overnight. It's something that you learn, something that you get better on. It's something that you build over and over and over. And it's something that every single day you devote your life to learning, because as you start learning and also executing and being part of what it is, it allows you to be part of an ecosystem that's bigger than you. And one of the reasons why I'm double downing on this is that for my kids, for my children's children, that when we look back at this time, 2022, I want to say that I wasn't just a spectator when all of this happened. I wasn't just an investor, but I was part of it. I was right smack in the middle of one of the greatest technological movements that we've ever seen happen right in front of our very eyes. And I want to be part of it. And that's what the exciting thing towards it. So catch this over the next few days. I'm just going to share, give more and more of the things that I've learned here. And I do hope that this gives you value. I do hope that this is something that will empower you as well, wherever you may be in life. And if you're not yet into crypto, start studying, start to build a foundation. If you're into crypto, start building and start growing in it as well. So if you want to know more about it, I'll put links in the description below. Our Investment 101 Marketplace, the videos that I've made. And if you want to open an account or at least want to start buying crypto, check out Binance. It's one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo from Dubai. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.